I, Chimbwa Erasmus, being the returning officer of Gulu Electoral District, having added up the number of votes cast as recorded on each declaration of results form in accordance with the section 147 of the Local Government Act, CAR 138, declare that the total number of valid votes cast for each candidate are as follows. Lalam Lilian Stella, for each property FDC, 2,506. Obol Justine Simpleman, for each property DP, 9,988. Odom Geoffrey, independent, 2,143. Okel Samuel Seppi, no, 141. Opio Christopher Ateke, NRM, 3,836. Accordingly, as returning officer of Gulu Electoral District, and in accordance with the section 147 of the Local Government Act, I declare Obol Simpleman, Obol Justine Simpleman, who has obtained the largest number of votes to be elected candidate for Gulu Electoral District. If he's around, he can be.
Where?